This is 1960 Lincoln Park West, number 2708. Here's a quick peek at the kitchen, but what this apartment is really all about is the view, so let's go have a look at the view. It's a nice large balcony with a south view of the downtown skyline. It's a beautiful view, and it's even nicer at night because all of these buildings light up like Christmas trees. And to the east, here is a view of Lake Michigan, including North Avenue Beach. And there is a view of the pool for the building. So here we are back inside. It's another view of the kitchen. It's an open kitchen, complete with a breakfast bar. There's a large storage closet. We'll take a quick trip into the bedroom. And it has that same great view of the downtown skyline. Plenty of closet space here in the bedroom. And here's a view of the bathroom. And here we are back at the kitchen, and that is the end of the video.